Hey, Ginger. You sure getting big, girl. So we're getting ready to turn the sheep loose back here in this back pasture. I just got to run a fence from way over here and stretch it all the way down past the pond, all the way over to that big tree is there, and then secure whatever fence is all the way up to this fence. We can run them right out this sliding door of the backside of this barn, no problem. So that's what the plans are. Looks like we're gonna have a little bit of warm weather, so we'll try to get these guys moved. Ain't that right, Whitey? Hey, Jasmine. I'm real sure Jasmine here is going to be the next one to give birth. Whether it be this guy's or Romeo's there, we don't know. You guys enjoying the orchard grass? Enjoy. Have a good evening.
Which one's the pups?
All of them. Andy here at Urban American Homestead with Anderson. We're about to feed these chickens. We're still dealing with lots of mud. What's up, puppy? What you been doing? Playing in the mud all night? What's up, turkey dog? All right, guys, I'll get you some corn. Good morning, everyone. Andy here at Urban American Homestead. Hey, we have been wet with the rain for 2 full days. I don't even know how much we got, but we are underwater. Pasture's got some streams going through it. Dogs are muddy, chickens are muddy, sheep are muddy, everybody's muddy, I'm muddy. So I'm gonna try to get some chores done in this. So stay tuned. Hi guys. How's it going? How's them little girls doing? Huh? You guys are muddy. You want to get me muddy, don't you? Look at them feet. Hi, turkey dog. All right, guys, we'll get you some food. All right, guys, let's give you some more corn here. You little lamb's trying to get you a little something too. Everybody likes cracked corn. All right. Dogs all in here eating. What's up, buddy? What's up, big dude? What's up, buddy? Hi. Did you have a good night? Did you have a good night? You have a good night, buddy. Yeah, I know you did. How you guys doing? Eating? Eating, Layla? Ginger, Addie, you guys get plenty to eat? What you got to say? What you got to say? All right, well, we'll check these little ones. We'll check these little ones and see how they're doing. Pretty good. Everybody's growing. Well, hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. Hey, what do you have to say? Nothing? Well, you gotta go play then, or eat, or whatever it is little chicks do. Now you be nice, turkey dog. There's a few of these littler ones in there, and you'll always tell them too, because they're not scared of humans whatsoever. Hey, you be nice. Hey, stop fighting. There's plenty to go around. One thing's for sure about chickens, they will fight over some corn or food. They'll fight over lettuce. You guys better get back out there with your mamas. Real windy today. Boy, look at all them chickens. I think you guys, there ain't much left for you guys to get. Them chickens and turkeys clean it up now. Are you guys done eating, or are you still eating? Release the Great Pyrenees. Hi, Ginger. How you doing? We have to check you because you've gained an awful lot of weight. She might be pregnant. The dog's got to check everybody out, make sure everything's okay. The chicken's got to go in here and see if there's any leftovers. But the dogs don't normally allow that. This one's using its dad to get love. Ginger wants some love too. So does Layla. Yeah. Can't leave him out. Even Addie's in here getting her some food. What's the matter, little girl? You standing on your daddy? The sheep's all standing around hoping the dogs will leave him a little something, but Addie's she don't put up with that. Nope, she don't let them get close. They can't get close to their food. It's okay, honey. You guys better not get too close to the food now. I'll give you guys a couple more minutes on this. Let me get through, Ginger. Let me get through, Ginger. Big girl. Hi. Hi. They want to play with you. Ginger, she wants to play with you. Hi, Addie. Did you get plenty to eat? Did you get plenty to eat, Addie? Did you get plenty to eat, Ginger? What about you, Molly? It's awfully muddy out here. Awfully muddy. Alright guys, I got all these chickens fed and got the dogs fed. And I think the lamb's got them a little cracked corn too as well. Just waiting on the dogs to finish up the little bit that they got. I try not to leave too many empty buckets inside the barn. Just hanging with the chickens. Well, hi, Addie. How are you doing, girl? You doing all right? You and Ginger doing okay? What's up, Big Axel? Did you get plenty to eat, buddy? You guys get plenty to eat today? I want to make sure you got plenty to eat. Huh? So hopefully some of this will dry out the next couple days. If not, we'll just deal with it. Hi. Father and daughter. Here's the other daughter. I think Layla's in there still eating. What's up, Big Ginger? Yeah, I don't want you to give me Paul right now. I know how muddy it is. You getting it, Layla? Hey guys, it's back out here. It's actually the next day, and looks like the water is starting to descend quite a bit. We still got a lot of mud, but I'll show you what we got going on. It's descended quite a bit. Still got a little bit of sitting water. Pretty muddy though. Hey guys, how you doing? How's everybody doing? Ready for some cracked corn? Some Jimmy cracked corn? So we'll get this stuff on the go and get these guys fed. All right, guys, I just made it back out here. It's about 4 o'clock. Snow's coming down again. I just fed everybody some grain and fed the dogs. Checked on the chicks. Everybody's doing great. I'm gonna go try to get some water. Here comes Whitey coming in hot. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some water out of the well and come back over here and give the chicks some water. And then we're gonna call it a night. It's still pretty muddy. Still got sitting water. It's mostly just mud now. I'm sure it'll get better though. Dogs are all doing well. Lambs are doing good. Turkeys are doing great. Chickens are doing good. And Julie and I are doing well as we can expect. So we'll go try to get this water going. All right, I got this water over here. We got it right here on the back of the truck. We'll get it put inside where it belongs and go from there. Snow's really coming down now. All right, guys, I got the water in here. I was just hanging out with the puppies and the chickens. There's Miley. She's all muddy. She's all muddy, ain't you, girl? And her sister, I think, just went in here. Or no, she's down here chilling. What's the matter, Maggie? What's the matter? You just chilling out? You guys just chilling out? Hi, Turkey. So that's gonna do it. Everything is muddy, it's snowing. Wet, wet, wet. That's the life here in Ohio. If you guys aren't a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new content. And we appreciate you stopping by the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.